Alright guys, let's start with the very first package. But before we start, let me introduce you to my build team. My name is Alexander and today with me is my daughter Paige.
Yeah, my name is Paige and today we are going to be building a Dalek together. Are you ready?
We are ready. Alright, let's go.
Like and subscribe.
Now, before we start, we need some tools. We need a knife and some bandages. Let's get started. You ready?
Yep.
All right, let's see if we can get this puppy out of its pocket. Now, it's very...
The satisfying sound is really cool.
Let's see what we have.
The big eyeball.
We have the eye dome.
Yep, the eyeball.
We've got some wires.
Yes. This is going to be so fun. Like, I can't wait till where you get to actually move the whole Dalek.
That's right. And watch this. We got part of the Dalek eye. That's what we're going to build today. If I can get it out.
We're going to be building the head part.
All right. So we have a lens. We have the LCD screen, which remove the cover. Oh, that's so satisfying, isn't it?
So there's these wires. Do you want me to unwire them?
Yeah, you want to unwire it?
Because they're tangled, can I like untangle them?
So let's start this build, shall we? So the first thing we need to do is find all the components. Now I've already laid them out, so it's a good practice when you start, just lay out your components and it makes it easier to build. So we start with this nice LCD screen and we can see a cheap microcontroller which they've tried to wipe off the numbers, but if you hold them in the right angle you can still read them. Now in these series I will not reverse engineer these, but in the future we'll build our own boards, but now we use them as is. There's nothing much to see, just an LCD screen, low voltage dropout regulator and connector, so that's it. So let's start with the assembly. Get the screen and I'll just have a zoom in so you can have a nice closer look of the quality. It's pretty good build quality. So let's get the first part, and we have this ring with the 3 pins and we just want to align them up and press it down gently. Be careful that you don't push on any of these connectors. All right, let's see, what do we do next? We're going to insert this into this ring. Now this ring also has 3 holes, so you want to precisely match these up and carefully push them in like so.
I think we're making like the head part. Is it like that part, like right there?
All right, next step, we'll take the lens, make sure you got the right side and push it in. Beautiful. And it snaps right in. See? Excellent. Really good build quality, by the way. And now what we want to do is to put this lens, or put the lens assembly together, and we have to have a good look. You can see there's tabs in here. There's larger ones like here and smaller ones. We want to focus on the smaller ones. We'll need the larger ones later, so you want to align these up with the smaller ones. Carefully push it in and turn it counterclockwise like so. Make sure it snaps in carefully. You want to hear click, not snap. There we go. That should be it. And then the next step is putting the nut in here. This will be for a future part. And again, it nicely snaps into place. Beautiful. Now, carefully want to unwind these wires. They're tangled, so carefully try to straighten them out. Just take your time. You can only do this once. These are very thin cables. It's very easy to break. And we don't want to do that. So take your time with this part. Now we're gonna put the connector in. Now both connectors are the same, but they are keyed, so you can't put them in wrong. There we go. And last but not least, obviously, guide the cable through and connect it. Now we've got one slot left, the larger ones, and there should be a latch. Just align them up, carefully pull the wires back, and again counterclockwise, and there you have it.
Yes.
Our first assembly, the Dalek eyes. Alright guys, see you in part 2.
subscribe.